Nkpume, nwanne mmadụ nwoke m ka ebe na Russia agaghị nke a ị ka na ebe a jụ question ichefugo na taa ka ndị Akuluno United Brothers Association na-celebrate their 1-year anniversary and their second annual retreat.
Okwu eziokwu.
So ifugo na achọrọ m ịgbapụ ọsọ ozugbo. Biko chelu m ka anyị yite akwa ka anyị jebe ozugbo biko. Oh yeah, now let's go there. This song now for special people. Akuluno
United Brothers.
Yeah, yeah. My people don't come again. Yeah, yeah.
Ndị Igbo mara nwanne ha.
Our people say
Good thing na good thing.
Bible come talk say
It dey good to see brothers living as one in peace and harmony.
Akuluno brothers, they welcome you
To a special weekend. It's gonna be a lovely experience. We go blow your mind away. In Labadi Beach,
Accra,
Akuluno United Brothers. You don't say.
Yeri kwena ve
Joromi, Jomi, Jo.
Yeri kwena ve
Joromi,
Sawa Oyewa
Jo.
Wanne malo wanne ya
Joromi,
Ayuba
Jo.
Nezendi boji bilio
Joromi,
Ndi boji aba
Jo.
Yeri kwena ve Se like this Kesa Kesa
Joromi,
Se Oh yeah, make I show you
how brothers they love themselves.
In case you don't know,
Okwa one day, malo one day out.
today na jolly,
At Labadi Beach Hotel.
the best place to chill.
Akuamia one committee chairman is ready.
Akuluno brothers, they welcome you
To a special weekend.
Hey,
It's gonna be a lovely experience.
lovely, lovely.
We go blow your mind away.
Yeri kwena ve,
Joromi, Jomi, Jo.
yeri kwena ve.
Joromi,
All comelo.
Jomi, Jo.
Ogele modeo,
Joromi,
ogele modeo.
Jo.
Iguriye,
Joromi,
iguriye.
Jo.
Joromi,
Joromi,
oyewa.
Jomi, Jo.
Sawa, 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 sawa. Make una come see fine men, oh. People we go don't bless.
Walking up, walk.
After this song,
Even me, I go join this club.
Akuluno United Brothers,
They
oh.
one day, malo one day. Ndị ọma na-akwalite Igbo. Na-emenụ ka Igbo dị n'otu.
Ifugo,
Mmekpa obodo abịala. Igbo ga-abụzi obodo oyibo na nke ikpeazụ a.
Akuluno Brothers, they welcome you.
To a special weekend.
Special,
Be a lovely experience.
lovely,
We
lovely.
go blow your mind away.
Yeah. Iwoliwo, iwoliwo ma.
Iwoliwo, iwoliwo ma.
Iwoliwo, iwoliwo ma.
Iwoliwo, iwoliwo ma.
Iwoliwo, iwoliwo.
Iwoliwo, iwoliwo ma.
Mwaleze na Akuluno Brothers Executive.
Iwoliwo,
High Chief Mike Duru Ejogu. Oh no, National President.
iwoliwo ma.
Chief Dr. Gideon Chidebere Osi. Ikengi Isiagu. First Vice President. High Chief Coleman Chinedu Wafo. Second Vice President. Chief Dr. Chijoke Jude Neji. Third Vice President. Dike Jimaramba.
Iwoliwo,
Chief Ebere Goodwill Uzozie. National Beauty Chairman.
iwoliwo ma.
Chief Gilbert Okuchukwu Igweka. National Vice Chairman POT. Chief Obinna Onuchukwu.
Iwoliwo,
National Secretary Ozo Kene Nkpume. National Financial Secretary Chief Chukwudi Linus Ikuka. Assistant Financial Secretary
iwoliwo ma.
Chief Afam Obi. National Welfare Officer Chief Obinna Chibuzo Etele. National Assistant Welfare Officer Prince Joseph Okafor. National Treasurer Nikki Jonas Okeke. National PRO
Iwoliwo,
Chief Ndrimasi Nkemjika Henry. National Provost Chief Tochukwu Aniawanwa, Director of Social. Chief Ambassador Odo Emmanuel, Deputy Director of Social, Udogo Nansuka. Chief Obinna Ngozi, SSA to the ESCO. Chief Peter Chukwudi Mwakeze, SSA on Finance. High Chief Dr. Ifeanyi Clement, Executive Assistant to the ESCO. Elder Nnemeka Kaios Anunobi. Prince Atoeze Ozibondo, Grand Patron. Here is wishing you a memorable celebration. To the host committee, Akuluno United Brothers Association, we love you and we say thank you for this awesome experience we are having today. Cheers to a brighter future. Cheers. One name alone, one year. Oga Driono Nama Yagazie.